So hi everyone, myself Aman and I again welcome you on MathsBuddy. So let's try to solve today's problem. So we have sine A equal to 1 upon 3. Now we have to evaluate what do you mean by cosec A into cosec A plus tan A into sec A. So how we are going to do this? So again let's first try to visualize this. Let's first try to do a right angle triangle. Okay. Now if I take this one is A. Now we know that this is going to be my perpendicular, this is going to be my base, and this is going to be my hypotenuse. So perpendicular is your 1, hypotenuse is your 3. Now straightforward, I'm just going to apply Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so this is going to be my 3 square and 1 square plus base square. 9 equal to 1 plus base square. So it will come here, so it will going to be base. 8 equal to b square, correct? 8 equal to b square. So if I'm going to take out the square root of 8, what is going to do? 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1. So just going to take a square root, so I can write this as 4. I can write this, I would say 4 into 2 equal to b. Now square root of 4 is what? 2, and square root of 2 is 2. So b is my 2 root 2. So finally I can say this base is my 2 root 2. Okay, now I got all the values. Now what I should do, I should focus on this. Okay, so what is basically cos A? Okay, cos A was base upon hypotenuse. Cosec A is perpendicular upon, no, cosec A is what? Reciprocal of sine. Okay, sine is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, so this is hypotenuse upon perpendicular plus tan A is what? Perpendicular upon base, and sec A is just opposite of cos A, just opposite of cos A. So hypotenuse upon base. So let's see what is your base. 2 root 2. What is your hypotenuse? 3 into hypotenuse 3 upon perpendicular 1 plus what is the perpendicular 1? Base is 2 root 2 into hypotenuse 3 upon base is what? 2 root 2, correct? Now if I'm going to solve this, it's going to cancel out. 2 root 2 upon 1 plus 3 upon 2 into 2, that is 4, into this 2, that is 8. So 2 root 2 upon 1 plus 3 upon 8. Theek, fine. So let's take out LCM. So it's going to be 2 root 2 cross 8 plus 3, okay, which is equal to 16 root 2 plus 3 upon 8. So this is my final answer. Okay, interesting part here that you must know that how to calculate this. Okay, that's the most important part. See you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel MathsBuddy.